before we start, let's introduce ourselves, starting with...
Hello, my name is Julia. Jenny Osay-Bayubay.
I am Francis Pinero Grandes. And I am Francis Golden.
My name is Noel Domingo.
And I am Ezekiel Abalayo. That's definitely gusto nyo ng tulong for lalaki.
And I'm Raylan Chavez, the leader of the group. And now, let's start. And here's our project, kung ano yung gagawin natin. So here class, our project.
Nakikita mo ba to?
Oo, ito yun. The LED is valid requirement for entering the teacher profession that determines whether or not a
Ano?
teacher is
Bilis mo
ready to-
magbasa.
Ito, the LED is a valid requirement for entering the teacher profession that determines whether or not a teacher is ready to enter the teacher.
Oh, wait lang, Bes. Ano natin, rin-edit muna natin para maging maayos at organized. So, yun. Pero kasi hindi ko pa mag-gets yung gagawin. Nandito na yung guys, oh. Sa number 1, 2, 3, yan, yes. Pwede ba explain? Sige. Ano yung mga gamit?
Guys! Guys, parang kayong nahihirapan sa, sa gawain natin. Inis ko nga, sabihin nyo sa akin kung ano yung mga problema para masolusyonan natin. Okay, Domingo, what's your problem?
Sir, suggest ko lang po if pwede tayong gumamit ng technology pag-present.
So, okay yung kailangan gawin, Mr. Domingo. So, next.
So, I'll take care of that, Mr.
Okay, thank you. So, next.
Na-explain kasi ako kay Jenny, hindi na mag-guess yung sinasabi ko. Ngayon,
Sige,
ano
sige.
pa ang problema
Eh,
ni Jenny?
sa'yo para may...
Ang labo kasi ng mata ko, hindi ko mabasa masyado eh.
So, sige, ito lang. Kasi, para mas mabasa mo. Okay.
Ito yung number 1. Ito yung masabi mo. Na para hindi ka malito,
Uy, alam mo yung
i-organize mo
lalagay
muna.
dito sa project natin?
Ha?
Nagigets mo ba? Ay, hindi. Tutulong sa'yo.
Ito yung gagawin mo. Gagawin mo dito.
Ito yung gagawin.
Yan
Diba?
nga.
Ayan yung project natin.
Wait lang, hindi ko maintindihan. Wait lang guys ha. Wait po, hindi ko po kasi maintindihan yung instruction. Pwede po pa-explain?
So, yung gagawa tayo ng short collaborative presentation. So, gets mo na ba?
Okay po.
So guys, since tapos naman na natin, mukhang plan na mga kailangan natin gawin. So anong step by step ang gusto nyo unahin?
So, I think guys, ako na lang kaya mag-summarize. Okay?
Ako lang ba magagawa ng ating presentation through MS PowerPoint?
Ako na mag-organize.
And ako na lang yung mag-represent ng presentation. Okay lang ba sa inyo guys?
Oo!
So, nababasa ko naman siya, ako nasa summary flow.
Tutulong na lang din ako sa pag-ayos ng summary flow since naiintindihan ko na yung gagawin.
When everyone adjusts a little, no one lets get behind.
Tech made our work easier for everyone. Accessibility matters.
Slowing down wasn't hard. I just needed to listen more.
When the group adjusted, I finally felt like I belong.
Simple changes help me keep up. Inclusion isn't complicated, just thoughtful.
Everyone show up for each other. That's what real inclusion looks like.
With teamwork and empathy, no one gets left behind.
Helping each other isn't a burden. It's what makes class stronger.
The limitations others see in us are not weaknesses, but the very things that make our perspective essential. To be fully human is to be different. And in the inclusive classroom, the difference is our greatest collective strength.
This kit shows how a group of students faced real learning barriers, recognized their differences, and created simple, practical solutions para lahat makasabay. Inclusion isn't just a rule, it's a mindset. It's about making sure no one gets left behind.
na ba?
Okay, Domingo, what's your problem?
Sir, main problem po is, since presentation po ito, bakit po gagamit lang tayo ng Manila paper? Dapat gumamit din tayo mag-integrate din tayo ng technology like paggamit ng
Ba't mo kayo nahihirapan? Ilis nyo kayo mga problema nyo.
Nakikita mo ba to?
Oo, ito yun. The LET is valid requirement for entering the teacher profession that determines whether or not a
Ano?
teacher is
Ang
ready
bilis
to
mo
attend.
magbasa.
Ito, the LET is a valid requirement for entering the teacher profession that determines whether or not a teacher is ready to enter.
Starting with you, Mr. Domingo, what's your problem?
So guys,
ako ang nagagawa sa presentation gamit ang Microsoft PowerPoint presentation.
When everyone adjusts a little, no one left it behind. Huh? When everyone... Huh? When everyone... Ay, ulit.
Teka, ano ka tumingin ka?
Ano ba to? Nakakainis naman to. Nakakaangat naman na ito. Naku,
Glass. Glass. Glass.